Today we will be talking about the sounds the letter A makes, long and short sounds. First we have the long A. This is when the vowel sounds like its name, like in the word ape, ape. Now we have short A. This is when the vowel sounds short and not like itself, like in the word apple, apple. Now let's practice. First we have a picture of cake, cake. The word cake is a long A sound. Cat, cat. The word cat is a short A sound because of the way A sounds. And last we have a picture of an acorn, acorn. The word acorn makes the long A sound because A makes the sound of itself. So how do we know if it's a long or short A? Well, first we know that it can be based off of the sound the letter A makes in a word. And now we're going to learn about where the letter A is in the word, or its position, to figure out if it's a long or short A sound. First we have when A is by itself, like in the word apple. When A is by itself, it makes a short A sound. Apple. Now we have when A is followed by a letter and then the letter E. When this happens, A makes a long A sound, like in the word ape. Last we have AI. When this happens in a word, this is a long A sound, like in the word train, train.